Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Confirm the smart socket rating matches your devices. 120V, 60Hz, 15A, max 1800W. Read the manufacturer label and user manual before installing the socket. Ensure your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and has a stable internet connection. Keep your phone within 3 to 6 feet during setup for reliable pairing. Turn off power to the outlet if rewiring or using a plug with exposed wiring. Use a multimeter when in doubt to verify voltage and continuity safely. Plug the smart socket into the wall outlet and verify the status LED blinks. If the LED does not blink, hold the power button 10 seconds to reset the unit. Open the companion app, create an account, and select Add Device or the plus icon. Grant location and network permissions if prompted, which improves pairing reliability. Enter your Wi-Fi password exactly, choose 2.4 GHz, and wait up to 2 minutes for pairing. Confirm the device name in the app and test, turning power on and off once paired. Set schedules, timers, and scenes in the app to automate the socket by time and triggers. Use voice assistants by linking the companion app account to Alexa or Google Home for hands-free control. Do not exceed the socket load. Keep appliances under 1800W and avoid inductive motors above 15A. Monitor energy or power readings in the app when available to track usage in dollar or kWh. If the socket drops offline, power cycle it, reboot the router, and re-enter Wi-Fi credentials if needed. Keep firmware updated in the app to ensure security and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.